This is the Nothing Ear 2. It's the successor to the Ear 1, which just might have been one of the best designed headphones of 2022, thanks to a design that was almost entirely see-through. The Ear 2 maintains that iconic design while also offering improved audio quality and next-level noise cancellation, all for $149. And I have to say, these headphones look absolutely incredible. If you're excited to watch the full review over the Nothing Ear 2, make sure you hit subscribe down below so you don't miss out when we upload that review.